Okay, what is up, dudes? I have some film. What I had originally done was I ordered some cheap black and white film off Amazon, and it was supposed to be here today. And then yesterday I was like, screw it, I might as well get some Portra. So I got some Portra 400. Well, the cheap black and white film did not get delivered despite Amazon saying it would be delivered today, despite it still saying it will be delivered today, I believe. Let me see. Amazon. Yeah. Arriving today by 10 p.m. Yeah, now expected April 23rd. Thanks a lot, butthole. Anyway, so I'm going to try the Portra. So let's turn this around. So basically, if you've been following along, I found my late father's Pentax 645, and I got it powering on. So it's got power, but I don't know if it's gonna work until I put some film in it. I just did a shot of moonshine, so hopefully my hands will be less shaky, because I'm honestly super nervous about this. What? I guess I should do this in front of the camera, huh? So we're gonna open this. So there we go. Portra 400. All right, take a picture of this bad boy. Okay, we're gonna attempt to load this dude. So I've already moved the empty one over here. Then the full one goes in here. So I've watched some YouTube videos on this. So hopefully I do not screw it up. Let's see if I can get this. Come here, buddy. Peel the tape off. Okay, well, that's terrible. Now we're getting somewhere. Ooh, still a little shaky, aren't I? I'm super nervous that this is not going to work. I'm going to just waste this roll of film. Hopefully that is not the case. Okay. So this dude, I imagine that's fine. But hey, let's get that off of there. This is an old camera. I don't know how picky it's going to be. Okay. Well. Yeah. Okay, it's probably fine. So this, it's got a little bit of a diagram in there to kind of show you that it goes like this. Whoop, come here. Like that. And that you are supposed to lock this dude in. And then I'm gonna roll this. Okay, that's the correct side. And then this is gonna go in the slot in there, in the roller. Whoop, so let's slot this dude through. All right, trying to keep it tight. And then in theory, should be able to start rolling it. Nope, that didn't work. Might need a little bit more pulled out. Okay, it looks like it's there we go. That, and then damn it, I think I'm holding it too tight or something. Oh, well, like I said, this is my first time. I think I'm actually holding the top part of the film too taut to where this should be able to, there we go, roll them on. Hell yeah. Now we've got a start line. No, it keeps slipping out of there. This is very annoying. Glad I'm filming this. Totally gonna cut some of this out. It's supposed to. Okay, we're nowhere near the start line, so that's good. So you're supposed to be able to slide that dude in there and then start rolling. There we go. Okay, now we want to kind of tighten that up, take the slack out of it. Then we want to roll this side. There should be a start line that's coming up soon. Oh, there we go. Okay, start line is lined up. See that red thing on the side? And then now, get batteries in it. We are loading her up, locking her in, power it on. And I should be able to press this button. All right. Oh, that is cool. Look at that screen. Okay, so I'm an aperture priority. And you use these buttons to set the aperture. It's an f2.8 lens, so it's obviously as big as it's going to get. And 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5.6, 6.7, 8, 9.5, 11, 13, f16. Oh, and I also need to set, this is Portra 400, so I need to set the ISO to, there we go. So I've got my ISO set. See, I'm holding down the ISO button, then that lets you put film speed in. So Portra 400, I am just going to shoot it at box speed because this is my first roll of film basically ever. I mean, since the 90s, you know. So this is in basically aperture priority. I'm shooting at f2.8 for this shot, or the first one at least. This is exposure number 1. And got 400 speed film in here. Okay, I'm gonna go take a picture. Okay, everything's a little junky, but that's okay. We're in the middle of our spring cleaning. Ooh, I asked Ava if she would model for a picture, and she said no, and to ask the lizard. So there's our lizard. Let's see. Set this camera up. See what I can do here. He's camera shy? Yeah. Well, he might not even know this is a camera. Well, he knows that phones have cameras, so anytime he sees a phone, he gets camera shy. Yeah, this is a very old camera. It looks way different. Okay. Well, the picture comes out in a couple of weeks after I mail it to Ohio. It's a very old camera. It's got film inside of it. Why do you have to mail it to Ohio? It has to be, they take the plastic. Yeah. So. Why do you have to give it to Ohio? Well, they take the plastic, the film, which is literally a strip of film. And I take it out after I shoot all of the shots, and then I mail it to a laboratory, and then they put it in chemicals. You made Sonny more stressed now, buddy. I'm sorry, Sonny. They put it in chemicals, which makes the picture show up, and then they'll scan the film. Where are you going? Is this? I want you to record me doing a cool trick on the. Okay, hold on a second. I think this is how everyone's going to react when I tell them about film photography. So I think this was a good example right here. It was like, yeah, bye. Okay, hold on, let's see. Okay, here's our lizard test subject. And okay, what kind of trick are you doing?
You have to follow me though.
Well, I don't know that I can. Where are you going? How about you just do it right here?
I can't.
Oh, okay. Oh. All right. Where are we going?
Hold on. Let me try that again.
Okay.
I need to go back in here.
Here, let me do it. Nice. It worked that time.
Where's Mom?
She is putting clothes up. Okay. Okay, so now that this thing is working, I am obviously going to go take a bunch of pictures, and maybe in a couple of weeks I'll have something to show for it. Cool.